Hello everyone. So today we are going to have a quick tutorial on how to download any book for free, no matter what book it is. This works 100% time and literally for any book. So I'm gonna use Swigart AI. I'm gonna sorry. I'm gonna use Swigart AI s- Swigart AI's automate stuff with Python for my video. Let's get started. So what you're gonna do is put this inverted comma, and in between you have to write the name of the book. For example, my book is this, and then enter, and you can see the top links are related to this book. And if you want direct download link to the PDF or EPUB, the Kindle version, you can just write file type EPUB or file type PDF as I am writing, then inverted commas again. And as you can see, the first two links both are of PDFs of this book. You can see both I have opened and both are the PDF. And yeah, so that's it, guys. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe if it helped you. Thank you and take care. Love you all.